How to fix Coinbase withdrawal field. To fix a failed Coinbase withdrawal, first you can identify the specific error message or reason for the failure. So what you want to do is, first of all, if you're recently deposit funds by bank transfer (ECH), there's typically 3 to 7 days hold before those funds can be withdrawn. And verify if you have any open order or margin requirement for future position, as these funds are incrumbled and cannot be withdrawn until the orders are cancelled or position closed. Next, you also want to make sure to ensure your identity verification is fully up to date. Expire or unverified IDs are frequently cause for a disabled withdrawals as well. You also need to confirm that a legal name on your Coinbase account exactly matches the name on your bank account or the debit card as well. However, if the issue still persists on, you could simply go ahead and contact, or maybe you could just simply call the bank or the credit card company, and they should you just need to let them know about it, and they should be able to help you out as well. If nothing works out, then you could simply go ahead and contact Coinbase Support and let them know about it, and they should also definitely help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.